Hello and welcome to the channel. This is a place where you can relax and learn English naturally. You do not need to study hard. You do not need to remember every word. Just listen, breathe slowly, let your mind rest. You can close your eyes if you want. You can sit or lie down. Now we begin. The forest path at night. Liam lived in a small village near a forest. The village was quiet, especially at night. There were only a few houses, a small shop, and one narrow road. Liam liked this place. He liked the silence. Every evening, after dinner, Liam went for a walk. It was his habit. He walked slowly and calmly. He did not use his phone. He just walked and listened. The forest was not far from his house. A small path led into it. During the day, many people walked there, but at night, almost no one did. Liam liked the forest at night. It felt different, deeper, quieter. One evening, the sky was dark and full of clouds. There was no moon. Liam put on his jacket and went outside. The air was cool. The village was already asleep. He started walking, step by step, slow and calm. Soon he reached the forest path. He stopped for a moment. He listened. Nothing. Only a soft wind in the trees. Liam walked into the forest. The path was narrow and dark. Tall trees stood on both sides. Their branches moved slowly in the wind. The sound was soft, like quiet whispers. Liam walked deeper. His steps were slow. He breathed calmly. He felt relaxed. After some time, he noticed something. A small light. Far ahead, between the trees. Liam stopped. What is that? He thought. The forest was usually completely dark, but now there was a soft, warm light. He looked carefully. The light did not move. It stayed in one place. Liam felt curious. He walked closer, step by step. The light became clearer. It was not strong, not bright, just a small, gentle glow, like a lantern. When Liam came closer, he saw something strange. The light was not from a lamp. It came from a small wooden cabin. Liam stopped again. He had never seen this cabin before. I walk here every day, he thought. This was not here before. The cabin was old, but warm light came from the window. Liam stood quietly. He did not hear any voices, only the wind and the soft sound of leaves. Liam walked closer to the cabin, slowly, carefully. He stood near the window and looked inside. There was a small table, a chair, and a lamp, but no person. The room was empty. Still, the light was on. Liam felt a strange, calm feeling. Not fear, just curiosity. He knocked softly on the door. No answer. He waited. Still nothing. Liam slowly opened the door. It made a quiet sound. Inside, the air was warm. The room was simple and peaceful. On the table, there was a book. Liam walked closer. He looked at the book. It was open, as if someone was reading it. Liam sat down slowly. He looked at the pages. The words were simple, short sentences, like a story. Liam started to read quietly. The words felt calm, slow, easy. As he read, something strange happened. The forest outside became quieter. The wind stopped. Everything felt still. Liam continued reading. He forgot about time. He forgot about the village. Only the story existed. After some time, he stopped. He looked around. The room was the same. Quiet. Warm. Liam stood up. He walked to the door. Before leaving, he looked back at the table. The book was still there, open, waiting. Liam stepped outside. The forest felt different now, softer, calmer. He walked back slowly, step by step. When he reached the edge of the forest, he turned around. The light was gone. There was no cabin, just trees and darkness. Liam stood still. Was it real, he thought? He did not know, but he felt calm, very calm. The next evening, Liam returned. He walked the same path, slowly, quietly. He looked for the light. At first, there was nothing, only darkness. But then, far away, a small, warm light appeared again. Liam smiled and walked toward it. Thank you for listening. Relax, breathe slowly, and rest. You can listen again anytime. Good night. Now we will continue the story. More slowly, more calmly. Take a deep breath. In and out. Relax your body. Feel the calm. Liam stands at the edge of the forest. He does not move. He looks into the darkness. The trees are tall, very tall. They move slowly in the wind. Soft sounds, quiet sounds. He takes a step forward. One step, then another step. Slowly, very slowly. The path is narrow. It goes deeper into the forest. Darker, quieter. Liam listens. He hears the wind. He hears the leaves. Soft, calm. Take a deep breath. In and out. Far away, there is a light. A small light. Warm, soft. It does not move. It waits. Liam walks toward the light, step by step. He does not hurry. There is no need to hurry. The forest feels calm, safe, quiet. He looks around. Tall trees, dark shadows, soft air. The light becomes closer, a little closer, and closer. Liam feels calm, very calm. His breath is slow, his body is relaxed. Take a deep breath. In and out. The small cabin is there again, silent, warm. The light shines through the window, soft and gentle. Liam stands near the door. He waits. He listens. Nothing. Only silence. He opens the door slowly. No sound. Inside, it is warm. Very warm. The table is there. The chair is there. The book is there. Still open. Waiting. Liam walks inside, slowly. He sits down. He looks at the book. The words are simple, easy to read, calm. He reads quietly, word by word, slowly. The world outside becomes quiet, very quiet. Only the room, only the light, only the calm feeling. Take a deep breath. Relax. Let everything go. Time moves slowly, very slowly. Liam closes the book, gently. He stands up. He looks around one more time. The room is peaceful, still. He walks to the door. He steps outside. The forest is waiting. Dark, quiet, calm. The light disappears again. Slowly, softly. Only trees, only night. Liam walks back, step by step. Slowly, he feels calm, safe, relaxed. Take a deep breath. In and out. Now you can rest. Let your mind be quiet. Let your body relax. There is nothing to do. Only listen. Only rest. Good night.